Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia, day 4 of the Marchesi Vocal Method. We're going to be diving into exercises 4 and 5, which explore the Portamento.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Portamento means literally to carry. And so we're going to be thinking about carrying something rather than dragging something through the mud. So as we go from these one note to the second note to the third note, I really want you to be thinking about spinning the air and lightening the registration as you go up and not carrying, or not dragging rather, the weight from the bottom up. So we are carrying the tone on the breath, so that all 3 tones are connected beautifully and seamlessly within the same registration. We are going to be doing this on ah, but if you feel like you need to explore a different vowel at first to find that ease and that comfort in the portamento, feel free to do that. One thing you want to watch for in doing portamento is not to do a drag, like oh, that's not pretty. What you want to think of is oh. So you see that there's buoyancy in that traveling from one note to the next, but we're not dragging oh, because that's just on the chords. So let's begin with exercise 4. So if you'll notice, what I did there was I really made sure that the breath was spinning between each of the 3 notes. Now this exercise 5 is going to be a little bit trickier because we have to go up first and then back down. When you come back down, make sure you don't drop the registration from the upper note and kind of slam back down. Here we go. So as you explore the portamento a little bit more in depth, remember, you're not going to be dragging weight from one note to the next, but the portamento is to carry the breath from one note to the next.